Oh man, how's it going, folks? Yeah, super pretzels. I'll tell you what, soft pretzels on an air fryer. Well, the directions, here's the directions. They don't talk about you doing it on an air fryer, but can you do it on an air fryer? Oh, well, let's find out. Yeah, and which air fryer should we try? How about the 30-quart Cosori air fryer toaster oven? Folks, we're going to try this not on the toaster oven side, but on the air fryer side. Let's get her all prepped up. All right, prep takes about 2 seconds. There's the air fryer basket right there, and we're gonna get those pretzels on there. Let's go take a look. All right, folks, preheating the air fryer, the Cosori air fryer. I got just 4 of them on. I could have probably fit all 6 that are in the box. And a little water, and a little salt, and a little parchment paper underneath just to keep things clean. And on the air fryer, they will go. There they are in the air fryer, folks. I'm really not sure how long this is going to take, so I'll give you a couple look-sees and we'll plate them up. Stay tuned for that. All right, browning up really nice. This is 5 minutes. Oh man, I'm getting hungry. Keep on watching. Well, there they are, folks. That was like 7 minutes. They were hot. Now, some people are going to say, why the parchment paper? Parchment paper kept the dough from going into the grooves, and it also made for easy cleanup. These are still very hot. You can see they are definitely done. Take a little taste test. Soft pretzels on the air fryer. Would you ever think they'd be able to do that? Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment as you always do. Appreciate that. And you know what I even appreciate more? You watching. Thank you.